Jake Ejercito at Andy Eigenman, ipinakita nila ang kaganapan sa birthday party ni Ellie. Ipinaghanda nila ito ng simple pero very classy na bagay ang tema kay Ellie at si Ellie mismo ang namili nito. Kaya naman wish granted from her parents, Jake and Andy. Suportado siya all the way ng dalawang magulang. Kaya naman napakaganda ng co-parenting. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Sa birthday party nga ni Ellie, magkasundo ang both parties, ang Ejercito clan at syempre ang Eigenman family na todo suporta nga para kay Ellie. Talagang feel ang love at syempre nag-party nga sila at walang sinayang na oras dahil nga lumipad pa si Andy mula Siargao pa Manila para maidaos ang kaarawan ng kanyang anak. Ngayon nga ay bagong milestone ito para kay Ellie kaya naman ginawa nilang very memorable ito. Marami nga ang kinikilig pa rin kay Jake at Andy dahil talagang nagkakasama pa rin sila once in a while para kay Ellie. Talagang nandoon pa rin ang kanilang chemistry. Tuwing magkasama ay hindi maiwasan ang pagtitinginan sa isa't isa kaya naman marami pa rin ang kinikilig sa kanila. At namataan nga ng mga netizens ang kasiyahan nga ni Andy. Talaga namang parang may kilig factor pa rin. Medyo nga awkward sa umpisa dahil nga matagal silang hindi nakita ni Jake. Mahal naman ni Jacob Ejercito ang kanyang pamangkin na si Ellie. Talagang hindi pinalampas ang pagkakataong batiin si Ellie at syempre very emotional nga bilang isang tito dahil teenager na itong si Ellie. Sabi niya dito, "To my dearest Lali, wow, we finally hit the big 13. I honestly thought this day would be hard for me, but I was completely wrong. As we celebrated your birthday, I felt an overwhelming sense of confidence and assurance in you. I know it's because you've really grown into such a beautiful, thoughtful, and caring young woman, and most importantly, a godly one." Talagang mahal na mahal nga ni Jacob ang pamangkin dahil nga halos sa kanila rin ito lumaki. Bata pa lamang ay talagang pag umuwi si Ellie sa kanila, siya mismo ang nag-aalaga at nakikipaglaro dito. The road ahead may feel daunting at times. There can be a lot of pressure to fit in, to choose certain paths, or to become someone others expect you to be. Don't listen to them. You are not expected to conform to the patterns of this world. Always remember who you are in Christ. You're chosen, you're loved, and you're God's unique masterpiece. Your tito will always be here to remind you of that and keep away any unnecessary distractions like boys. Hehehe. Natutuwa nga itong si Jacob dahil nga sa pagiging godly at syempre thoughtful ng kanyang pamangkin. At syempre nariyan siya para i-protect ang kanyang pamangkin mula kay Jake Ejercito. You might be growing up, but you'll always be my little princess munchkin with bucket hair. Wishing you the happiest birthday, Lali. Tata and Tito love you and are here for you, even with your pilit smile. Hindi naman pala smile itong si Ellie dahil nga talagang mahiyain nga siya growing up. Kaya naman sa gabing ito ay talagang pinipili siyang patawanin ng kanyang mga loved ones, lalong-lalo na ang kanyang daddy Jake at ang kanyang mommy Andy. At yun nga ay napilit nga nilang patawanin si Ellie at lalo nga lumabas ang kanyang kagandahan. Marami pa rin nga sunod-sunod na bumabati kay Ellie at pinupuri ang daddy Jake niya dahil nga sa pagiging magaling na ama at very ideal father sa kanya. Mula kay Flora Bell, "Happy birthday, blessed Ellie. One of the most beautiful birthday message I ever heard. May God bless you and your whole family. Happiest birthday, beautiful Ellie." At mula naman sa iba pang commenter, "I can just imagine you and Jake on her wedding day. Love you both. Have this relationship." At mula naman kay The Luna Rose, "So pretty, kahit anong angle. Happy birthday, stay happy and healthy. Enjoy life and take it easy. Loves you and God bless you." "Oh my, she looks like Andy and a happy birthday, pretty girl. She is so pretty. Happy birthday, Ellie." At mula kay Mommy, "I can see how proud Daddy. So pretty as Mommy and Daddy." Mula naman kay Titing Francisco, "OMG, gorgeous Ellie. I love the girl since she was a baby, till now and more. I love her story and everything about Ellie. Stay simple and sweet, princess. The best Daddy, heart-melting kind of love.